This is what hope looks like. The Bahamas, a marine life sanctuary, beyond beautiful, utterly irreplaceable. But even paradise needs protection. That's why, 20 years ago, Atlantis Paradise Island founded the Atlantis Blue Project Foundation to fight for what matters most. And the impact has been extraordinary. Protecting 1.4 million acres as a marine sanctuary, paving the way for safeguarding our Bahamian waters. Giving more than 7,000 endangered sea turtles a fighting chance. And creating the first coral gene bank in the Bahamas. Preserving corals threatened by extinction from stony coral tissue loss disease. This is not just conservation. This is a movement powered by science, passion, and purpose. And in a world where so much is being lost, the Atlantis Blue Project reminds us, hope still has a home.